please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, learners. How are you doing? We are great.
My name is Vito.
My name is Dea. Hello. My name is Safira. Hello. My name is Akira. Hello. My name is Shakira. Hello. My name is Lucky. Hello. My name is Adam. Hello. My name is Aris. Hello. Today we are going to play game rank 1. Join us. Go anywhere and stay tuned.
We are going to start the game. Number 1. Farm is A. Land with lots of trees. B. Land used to grow food. The answer is B.
Yay!
2. A hand is A. The end part of your arm. B. The end part of the leg. Your answer. The answer is A.
Yay!
3. Nest is A. A home for birds. B. A home for cats. The answer is A.
Yay!
4. 1 is A. A number less than 2. B. A number more than 2. Ini yang salah. The number is. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 5. Red. A smell. B. A color. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 6. Sheep is A. Animal with long curly hair. B. Animal that lives in water. Finish. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 7. Ride. A. To hold in your hand. B. To drive in a car. Seven. A ride to A. To hold in your hand. B. To drive in a car. The answer is B. The winner is Ari.
Session 2, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Number 1. Huge is A. Very big. B. Very small. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 2. Chip is A. A small piece of something. B. A large piece of something. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 3. Clog is A. To bury something. B. To block something. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 4. Hump is A. A rounded lump. B. A square block. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 5. Meal is A. Bedtime. B. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 6. What is the synonym of performer? A. Actor. B. Audience. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 7. What is the synonym of crate? A. Chest. B. Chair. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 8. What is the synonym of wants to eat? A. Hungry. B. Playing. The answer is A.
Yay!
What is the synonym of calm? A. Settle. B. Move. The answer is A. The winner is Vito. Season 3, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Number 1. The synonym of said is A. Rebel. B. Shade. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 2. The synonym of pure is A. Mixed. B. Natural. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 3. To grow and become more mature, advanced. A. Halt. A. Develop. B. Halt. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 4 is to describe, tell more about, and give all the information about something. A. Detail. B. Segment. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 5. A paved path for people to walk on the side of a road. A. Road. B. Sidewalk. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 6. A low area of land between hills or mountains. A. Valley. B. Forest. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 7. Brightly colored flickering light caused by fire. A. Water. B. Flame. The answer is B.
Yay!
A baby bed set on rockers. A. Cradle. B. Mattress. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 9. A collection of things tied or warped up together. A. One. B. Bundle. A collection of things of tied or warped up together. A. One. B. Bundle. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 10. A solid figure with 6 equal sized square face. A. Cube. B. Square. The answer is A.
Yay!
Number 11. Humans breathe using A. Heart. B. Lung. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 12. Nana wears a scarf on her A. Mouth. B. Neck. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 15. My blank black. A. Hairs are. B. Hair is. The answer is B.
Yay!
Number 16. Ria blank 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 his bicycle. A. Ria blank 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 his bicycle. A is fighting. B is fixed. Ria blank 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 his bicycle. A is fighting. B is fighting. The answer is A. Number 17. She is washing the A. TV. B. Dishes. She is washing the A. TV. B. Dishes. The answer is B.
Yay!
The winner is Vita. That's all